Step-by-step instructions to make ribbon cake. You will require milk 100 grams, spread 200 grams, sugar 200 grams, eggs 4, flour 250 grams, baking powder 5 grams, vanilla 1 teaspoon, food shading, pink and green. For the margarine icing sugar 400 grams, spread 150 grams, milk 100 grams. We should make it. Stage 1. Beat spread and sugar in a bowl until fleecy. Then, add eggs each in turn and beat well. Stage 2. Quick flour and baking powder. Overlap filtered flour into the above combination, and simultaneously add the milk and vanilla pith. Beat well until the blend is all around integrated. Stage 3. Partition the hitter into 2 and add food tones, pink and green, then fill 2 lined baking plates. Stage 4. Prepare at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Stage 5. In a huge bowl, whip relaxed margarine or spread until light and feathery. Stage 6. Gradually whip in the milk until completely blended in. Stage 7. Sandwich the cake with icing and trimming as wanted. Time to arrangement and prepare. 20 minutes planning time. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. 8 laptops serving. Enjoy your meal.